Did you know that a single offshore oil platform can drill through over 5 kilometers of rock and ocean floor, accessing reserves that could power entire countries? Imagine mastering the engineering marvel that unlocks Earth's hidden energy potential. Organizations in the petroleum engineering sector face unprecedented challenges of technological complexity, environmental sustainability, and increasingly sophisticated extraction techniques. Companies struggle with integrating cutting-edge technologies, managing extreme operational risks, and developing innovative solutions that balance economic performance with environmental responsibility. The industry demands professionals who can navigate complex geological, technological, and economic landscapes. Individual engineers encounter significant barriers in developing comprehensive skills that span technical expertise, strategic thinking, and innovative problem-solving. They must simultaneously understand advanced geological sciences, complex engineering principles, sophisticated technological systems, and evolving environmental regulations. Teams find themselves constrained by traditional approaches that fail to address the rapidly changing demands of modern petroleum engineering. This masterclass provides a transformative deep dive into the sophisticated world of petroleum engineering. Participants will gain advanced insights into reservoir characterization, drilling technologies, production optimization, and sustainable extraction methodologies. The program delivers cutting-edge frameworks for understanding complex geological systems, developing innovative engineering solutions, and creating integrated approaches to energy extraction. Organizations can expect profound improvements in technical capabilities, innovative problem-solving, and strategic engineering approaches. Participants will develop the ability to design advanced extraction technologies, optimize complex reservoir systems, and create sustainable engineering solutions. The course equips professionals with the tools to become true leaders in petroleum engineering innovation. Imagine being at the forefront of energy exploration, understanding the complex geological systems that power our world. Imagine having the engineering expertise to unlock energy resources with precision, innovation, and responsibility. Don't let traditional thinking limit your potential in this dynamic field. Enroll now and transform your understanding of petroleum engineering. Your journey to becoming an industry-leading engineer starts here. Seize your opportunity to make a difference.